วิการอยากให้น้องๆลองตีเพลงที่การดูเนาะ
Mark for Future School had an incredible day of rhythm and learning thanks to Pecan from Potato. Our students were thrilled to learn the basics of drumming, discovering how beats and patterns come together to create music. From understanding different drumming techniques to exploring the history of percussion instruments, the workshop sparked curiosity and creativity in our young musicians. As part of our commitment to enriching education, we invite experts like Pecan every semester to empower our students through hands-on experiences in music and beyond.
อยู่ตรงนั้นเธอเป็นอย่างไรก็ไม่รู้ฝากเพลงนี้ไว้ที่เธอคิดถึงทุกนาที